Hello everyone, Vishesh Kothari here. Welcome back to Let's Learn Math, and today we're going to discuss 4 important properties of the circle. Let's discuss the first property. The first property is, if I have a circle and if I have two equal chords AB, CD, it is given AB is equal to CD. It is given. So therefore, I can come to a conclusion that angle AOB is equal to angle COB. In this video, I'm not going to prove anything. I'm just going to tell you the properties. Okay? So AB is equal to CD. So therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay? Now, in this property, I have been given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. So here I have three chords which are equal. So this is O, right? So this angle will be equal to this angle, will be equal to this angle. So let me take this as X and let us find. Now we know that the angles about a point is 360. So X plus X plus X is going to give me 360. So 3x is going to give me 360. So what is x? 120 degrees. Okay. So x is equal to 120. This is 120 and even this is 120. Okay. So that was the second one. Focus on the third one. The third one is a little bit tricky, but you'll enjoy this one. Okay. So follow along. Let me say AB is a part of a hexagon. AB is a part of the hexagon. CD is a part of a square. And let me say EF is a part of a pentagon. So it is a very simple trick to find the angle at the center. It's a very simple trick to find this angle. Okay, which the chord subtends at the center. Now, how do I do? I've been given that AB is a part of a hexagon. So we know that a hexagon has 6 sides. So what am I going to do? 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60. So this angle is going to be 60 degrees. Okay. Now I'm just going to tell you what the answers are. I'm not going to prove it. Right? Okay. Okay. Now CD is a part of a square. 4 sides. So 360 divided by 4, how much is it? 90. So this is 90, right? Next, EF is a part of a pentagon. Pentagon, so, right? So what am I going to do? 360 by 5, which is 72. So this is going to be 72 degrees. Right? Okay. Now let's look at the fourth one. The fourth one says the chords are not equal, but their lengths are in a ratio. So I have two chords. AB is to CD is given as 7:8. I have to find how the angles are related. Isn't it intuitive? The angle AOB is to angle AOD is going to be 7:8. That's all. As simple as that. Okay? Right. So these were the 4 properties. We'll do a question on a combination of all these properties in the next video. Okay? So follow along. Share this video with your friends. Happy learning. Good luck. Bye.